Hello dear traders, welcome back to Insta TV for another financial news release with me, Anna Kasatkina. The euro continues its rally that began last week. The sellers of the euro are defending the level of 1.14. The euro strengthened against the US dollar more than other currencies amid news on the upcoming US Fed's key rates cut. Today, buys of the euro updated the highs twice. However, it's getting more difficult to move up. The next possible level for the euro is 1.15. During the European session, the quotes of the euro-dollar pair may decline. Traders are worried about the outbreak of hostilities between the US and Iran. On Monday, Washington imposed new sanctions on Iran. Market participants are widely discussing how events will unfold. Although the direction of the euro entirely depends on the demand for the US dollar, the strong data from the eurozone could encourage traders to buy the single currency. Nevertheless, economic news from Germany is not so optimistic. In June, the business climate index worsened. The indicator fell to 97.4 from 97.9 in May. Economists had forecast a moderate drop to 97.5. The business climate index has deteriorated in both the manufacturing and service sectors. Traders of the pound sterling remain flat. The pound-dollar pair is trading mainly in the black at 1.2746, but some investors continue to sell the pound sterling. The British currency is still affected by political and economic events. This week, market participants are waiting for the Bank of England's inflation report, Mark Carney's comments, and the UK GDP rate report. Gold keeps on increasing gains as traders prefer not to risk amid geopolitical tensions. Meanwhile, the tension in the Middle East is growing. The US-China trade deal is far from success despite the mutual desire of both parties to meet at the G20 summit. Besides, traders are quite certain that the Fed will cut its key rate in July. On Monday, the precious metal is trading above the key level of $1,400 per ounce. On Tuesday, head of the US Central Bank Jerome Powell will deliver a speech. He's going to speak about the monetary policy and prospects for economic growth in the country. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.